Don't touch it. دا مسکوه ما. Don't touch it. یعنی دی لگوتی موڑا. Look. Who is at the door? وگورا دروازی کی سوک دی. Look. Who is at the door? Not even a sip. یو گوٹ هم نه. Not even a sip. How is everything? هر څه څنګه دی. How is everything? Not even a bite. یو ټوکړه هم نه. Not even a bite. Your voice is very sweet. ستا आवाज ډیر خوږ دی. Your voice is very sweet. Something is wrong somewhere. سنه سزای کی غلطی خدا. Something is wrong somewhere. Please sing a song. مهربانی وکه سندره ووایا. Please sing a song. This is just a mindset. دا صرف یو سوچ دی. This is just a mindset. I have taken my breakfast. ما خپل ناشته کړی ده. I have taken my breakfast. Don't sit idle. وزګار مه کېنه. Don't sit idle. Anything you feel like. څه هم چې تا ته ښه ولګي. Anything you feel like. Can I talk to you for a minute? آیا زه د یو منټ دپاره تا سره خبرې کولی شم؟ Can I talk to you for a minute? I am searching a job. زه د کار په لټون کې یم. I am searching a job. Which college are you from? ته د کوم پوهنځي نه یې؟ پوهنځی یعنی کالج. Which college are you from? Please let me know your difficulties. مهربانی وکه ما ته خپل مشکلات ووایه. Please let me know your difficulties. Who is your favorite actor? ستا د خوښې اداکار څوک دی؟ Who is your favorite actor? I think I have seen you somewhere. ما ته ښکاري چې ته ما چېرته لیدلی یې. I think I have seen you somewhere. Why did he quit the job? هغه کار ولې پرېښودو؟ Why did he quit the job? No, I was sick yesterday. نه زه پرون ناروغه وم. No, I was sick yesterday. Why are you so tired today? ته نن دومره ستړی ولې یې؟ Why are you so tired today? Don't lean your head on my shoulder. په اوږه مې خپل سر مه ږده. Don't lean your head on my shoulder. Sir, when would I be promoted? جناب زما ترقی به کله کیږي؟ Sir, when would I be promoted? Don't prattle. بک بک مه کوه. Don't prattle. Promotion follows hard work. د سخت مهنت د کبله ترقی میلاویږي. promotion follows hard work. use your brain د مزغو نه کار واخله. use your brain. your father is on the phone. په فون ستا پلار دی. your father is on the phone. oh it has started raining. oh باران راکی شو. oh it has started raining. don't be stubborn. ضد مکوا. don't be stubborn. I really miss you a lot. ما ته رښتیا ډیر یادیږي. I really miss you a lot. don't panic. یریږه ما. don't panic. I fell for you the moment I saw you. د کلي نه مې چې ته لیدلی مین شوی یم در باندې. I fell for you the moment I saw you. do not mess with me. ما سره پنګه ما اهلا. do not mess with me. یا تاسو داسې مویلی شئ ما سره پنجه مه وهه. speak quickly. زر وایه. speak quickly. he is good at پښتو. هغه په پښتو کې ښه دی. he is good at پښتو. bask in the sun. پیتا وکا. یعنی مطلب دا چې لمر ته ګرم شه. bask in the sun. what is he to you. هغه ستا څه دی. what is he to you. serve the food. خوراک ولګوه. serve the food. it's a clean day. نن ورځ صفا ده. it's a clean day. knead the flour. وړه واغږه. knead the flour. he is a glutton. هغه هیټو دی. he is a glutton. put on the shoes. پایزار په خپو کا. put on the shoes. this is very nice. دا ډیر ښه دی. this is very nice. don't make excuses. بانی مه جوړوه. don't make excuses. this is very strange. دا ډیر عجیبه دی. this is very strange. wear the shirt. کمیس واغونده. wear the shirt. is he your relative. آیا هغه ستا رشته دار دی. is he your relative. who is there. دغلته څوک دی. who is there. is he in a hurry. آیا هغه په تادی کې دی. is he in a hurry. I know. ما ته پته ده. I know. apply oil to your hair. په ویښتو کې تیل لګوه. apply oil to your hair. do you know. آیا تا ته پته ده. do you know. I am thankful to you. زه ستا شکرګزار یم. I am thankful to you. would you like to smoke. آیا ته سیګرټ څکل خوښی. would you like to smoke. I don't want to have my lunch. زه د غرمې ډوډۍ خوړل نه غواړم. I don't want to have my lunch. The school will remain closed tomorrow. سبا به مکتب بند وي. The school will remain closed tomorrow. You always forget in haste. ته تل په تادۍ کې یېری. تل یعنی همیشه. You always forget in haste. Hard work never goes in vain. محنت هیڅ چری بیکاره نه ځي. Hard work never goes in vain. How long will the train stop here? ریل ګاډی به دلته د کوم وخت پورې. How long will the train stop here? I shall wait for you. زما به تا ته انتظار وي. I shall wait for you. Where can I get a car? موټر به راته کوم ځای میلاو شي. Where can I get a car? Stop watching cartoon. کارټون کتل بند کړه. Stop watching cartoon. You are really a fool. ته رښتیا بېوقوفه یې. You are really a fool. You are better than the moon. ته د سپوږمۍ نه هم ډېره ښکلې یې. You are better than the moon. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو دپاره د چینل PE Everyone سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل د آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به ترې په وخت خبرېږئ. Thanks for watching.